this here, I did rivet this in, but I found out that the rivets are too short. So I had to go out and get some more rivets, or different rivets. So I'm gonna try to rivet this back in, see if it's gonna work. Alright, so that's in. Welcome back to another day in the garage. This paint project's taking longer than I like. But good news is, this piece is done. Overall, I think it came out good. You see it? You won't see it shine because I'm in the garage and there's no sunlight, obviously. But that came out nice. And this will be ready for flex / clear coat. And that's what I'm doing today. The top is dry for this bag. That's going to be sanded, hand sanded, and buffed out. Alright, let's get you guys a close-up. So yeah, I think that looks awesome. It actually looks really good with just the clear coat on here, but this is actually the finishing touch. It'll really make a big difference polishing this up with 2000 grit sandpaper and then hitting it with the buffing machine. You can feel some areas it's got a little overspray. As the sandpaper goes over, you'll be able to feel the difference. It takes experience, but you'll get the hang of it. Once it goes over and it feels smooth, then you know you've gotten it all pretty much leveled out. Alright, it's been a long day today, I tell you. Got a lot done today. Alright, this pad's pretty much had it. So that's going in the trash. I'm going to end up using a polishing foam package. It's a little softer. I don't want to put that much pressure on that clear coat since it is brand new. There we go. Get my compound. Get that noise. Alright, now I'm going to put the rack on. Just wiping this up. Easy to clean it while it's off the cover and then on the cover. Again, I'm not doing any pinstriping on the top covers. I don't think it looks good, and it is what it is. I just don't think it looks great with the pinstripe. So, it's my bike. I'll do what I want. Be careful with the paint. It's not cured 100%. So, any little thing will scratch it at this point. It takes about a good 30 days for paint to cure. Just hand tie them with blue Loctite and you should be good to go. And the cover is done. Sweet! That looks good. That looks really good. I am very happy with that. Of course, it wouldn't look this good if I didn't put all that work into it. You know, all the sanding between the coats and all that crap. Next time I do a bike, I'll show you guys how to make a makeshift paint booth, get better results. Alright, gotta let it sit, let it cure. I just discovered as I was cleaning my bike that the bracket for the horn broke off. So, I'm gonna go ahead and weld this thing back together instead of buying a new one. Alright, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to hold it, throw a tack weld on it. Hopefully I don't burn the shit out of my hands. I had gloves. I don't know what they do with them. Alright, I don't have gloves. Alright, just let it cool down on its own. And it's getting late, but I want to try to get this done. So here's the bracket. Yeah. Get the grinder hooked up. Oh, I wish I had a bigger bench. Even if I had a table would be nice. Oh, I'm just gonna grind this down. There's my glasses. Put my glasses on. Alright, that weld looks pretty strong to me. So it looks pretty good. Sand this piece. I'm going to use 220 220 grit on my overall sander. Orbital. Sand this bad boy down. Alright, if you're wondering why I sanded the chrome, it's because I want to get that sanded chrome look. Nah, just kidding. I'm going to spray paint the horn cover and the bracket green. Take some remover. And let that dry off a little bit and then we'll paint it. Alright, ready? Gave that one coat. Second coat. Letting that dry. Looks really nice. Now this piece, I'm going to give it a nice coat over there and see what happens. And that's not good. Well, I'm not happy. The air filter is not good. It's not the way I wanted it. I'm going to end up stripping that whole thing and starting over again. These pieces came out really nice. I'm going to have to give it one last coat tomorrow and it'll be done. So that's it for today. I am tired. It's been a long day. But anyway, everybody, take care of yourselves, your families, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.